Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Uses, benefits, recipes. Allspice is a spice made from the dried berries of a plant known as Pimenta dioica, which is a member of the myrtle family. The flavor of allspice brings to mind cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and pepper. Allspice is used in Caribbean, Middle Eastern, and Latin American cuisines, among others. 13 August 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Allspice is a plant. The unripe berries and leaves of the plant are used to make medicine. Allspice is used for indigestion, dyspepsia, intestinal gas, abdominal pain, heavy menstrual periods, vomiting, diarrhea, fever, colds, high blood pressure, diabetes, and obesity. It is also used for emptying the bowels. 17 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Allspice has a combined flavor of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves with a hint of pepper. The leaves of allspice are also used as bay leaves in some countries, but are not used in Indian cooking. A fake. Ditto for the flower buds of allspice. Allspice appears in some sophisticated North Indian cuisines, like that of Lucknow.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.